Hello students and friends, the topic of this video is how to use mobile smartphones effectively for studies. This is a very important topic especially for students. Friends, mobile phones are modern gadgets of communication that help us to connect with people around the world. In this modern world, mobile phone is one thing that a person, especially a student, cannot get rid of. He uses it for entertainment, for playing games, for conversation with friends and with family members, and for seeking information and motivation. But in most of the cases, students use mobile phones for playing games and for entertainment only, without seeing what is happening around him. Then, how to use them effectively for studies to improve your knowledge. Whenever you watch any video, ask yourself the questions: is this video going to help me really? Oh, I am a student, and is this video going to help me to improve my knowledge? Is this video going to help me to enhance my knowledge of physics or chemistry or biology or mathematics or any other subjects? If the answer is yes, then continue. But if the answer is no, please stop there. Please stop, my dear student, please stop. That video will just waste your time and nothing else. And if you're wasting your time by playing games in your mobile or laptop or computer, then ask yourself the questions: is this game going to help me improve my personality? Is this game going to help me to build a good relationship with friends or with my family members? The answer is a big no. And if you're wasting your time by watching movies or series, then ask yourself the questions: are these movies or series really good for me? Will these movies or serial clips help me in becoming the person whom I want to be? The answer will be again no. Following are some steps that will help you to use mobile smartphones effectively for studies. First step that can be done is to subscribe only those channels in YouTube that are meant to education and motivation. Second, to join or like only those groups and pages in Facebook that will motivate or inspire you to do more and more study. Third, to unsubscribe or leave the channels or groups that bind you to waste your time. This will reduce the chances of notification of videos which will not give any benefit to you. Fourth, take a notebook and pen whenever you watch an educational video in YouTube and note down the important points. This will help you in gaining interest in online learning, which is very important. Fifth, install only those apps from Play Store related to your subjects, whether it is chemistry or biology or mathematics or economics or physics or any other subjects. And also open these apps and read them regularly by making notes in your notebook, which is again very important. You have to open it and read it regularly. My dear friends and students, since we cannot get rid of mobile smartphones these days, please use them mostly for the overall improvement of the knowledge of your related subjects and for your personality development. My dear friends and students, mobile smartphones are ocean of knowledge. You can obtain all kinds of knowledge and information on the internet through your mobile smartphones. They can be your best tutor of your subject. Please use your mobile correctly to gain knowledge and information. Okay, thank you for today. In the next video on how to, I'll come up with another topic related to studies. Please share this video if you think it is helpful, and also subscribe to my channel. Please take good care of your health